Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to turn on the two-step verification aka 2FA on NoOnes. And for this we click here on a profile and we click on profile again, and then right here you can already see it standing here on edit profile, so click on that. And then from there we go to security. And on security, we have here the option to enable 2FA. So that means that you need to turn on something with email or with your Google Authenticator. So we click now on active now, security questions. And then right here, we need to give them security questions. So then we will answer them. So now we give them the answers. And now if you click here on Google Authenticator, we can connect our phone with scanning this QR code, fill in the 2FA code, and then we are ready to go. But first of all, scan it, fill in the code, and then when you fill in the code, he says, all right, your 2FA is enabled. So this is seriously how easy it is. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.